Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video we're going to do an unboxing on the Porsche here, the Porsche 911 slant nose. Um, so this car was purchased off on eBay. I put in my parameters, whatever my preferences, filters, and with everything combined, shipping and handling, taxes, this car was about 23, 24 bucks. So not a bad cost on the car, considering that I had to have it shipped to me. This is a monogram kit. It's a 1/24th scale Porsche 911 slant nose. I don't know the year of it. This model did come out in 1991, according to that right there. And you can see a couple of photos of it, how you can make it look. I haven't decided on a color yet. So right out of the gate here, we got ourselves a set of tires on kind of like a vinyl or rubber tree. Yeah, bifocals. I still have to take my glasses off to read. They're Goodyear Eagle Vero VR50. Hopefully that'll change shortly. I just got an appointment to get my glasses updated. Not a bad looking tread. Never had a Porsche before. We'll take you through the instruction manual. It's a little bit yellowed. It's an older kit. It's been open. Looks like it's been kicking around for a while. Got some holes in the instruction manual. That's all right. Pretty basic. Your typical instruction manual. Good illustrations. Looks like there's 21 steps to this car. I don't know if I haven't even decided if this is just going to be a box stock or if this is going to be something we add a little bit to. You do have a color chart in the instruction manual. Well, that's nice. Here's your chrome pieces. We will be utilizing these rims. I like how the car looks with the rims painted, the interior part of the rims painted the same color as the body. This looks like a complete engine top and engine bottom, so it doesn't look like there's a ton to the engine. The front right here. Oh, and your sides. We will at least dechrome this and make it look a little bit more aluminum looking, I guess. I got to do some research on the car and see what it looks like. But like I said, I haven't done a ton of research into this car yet, and I haven't made a lot of decisions on whether or not it's going to be a box stock or a more in-depth build. Here's your red lenses. Got your full rear glass, rear tail light looking thing here. I don't know what this is. Oh, it might be the third brake light right up in there. We'll just put that back down in there where it was. I did look at this kit, so it's missing one of the fog lights here and one of the wing windows, but it's already in the box, so it just broke off and it's kind of sitting there. Not a huge deal. Certainly nothing to worry about. And it looks like we've got two sets of plates. One says Porsche, one says exotic. They're both California. And they were also printed in 1991. Tires back in. Set this over here. And get it opened up. Do a good unboxing. I don't even know what number this is. Up around 20, 25 unboxings, let's say. All right. Set the body off to the side here because I like doing the bodies last in my unboxing. All right. So we got this some wipers. Got that big old wing that's going to sit up on the back there in your rear bumper, rear or front bumper. This also will be like the part of the bumper section. Your interior door cards and your interior tub. And the dash, actually, the dash looks pretty good. A lot of detailing in there. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. Huh. The box itself says 1991. This says 1989 along the bottom of the interior tub. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. I don't think the phone's picking it up. It says 1989. Copyright. Oh. So the bottom, pretty enclosed. Yeah, pretty good undercarriage there. Like the manifolds for the exhaust right here. Still more of the exhaust here. The front part of the front seats, your back parts were over here on this side. Some sort of center console here. Oh, and a big vented rear wing. It goes on top of this, right? Go on top of that. Oh no, that's like the top of the car for the convertible. It's the piece that hides the roof after it's down. So that's that. Oh, so there's your roof. If you wanted to have the roof up, I think I've already made my decision on that. I don't know if you can see the little shiny part right here. That's where the tire, one of the tires sat against it. It's got a little bit of a burn mark from the tires. I got your steering wheel. Looks like door handles. Front and rear end assemblies. I don't know which is which. I don't know a ton about these cars. Looks like some sort of air intake here. More suspension here. I'm guessing this goes in the back. These pieces right here is like headrests. Then your inside rims. Oh, mirrors, side mirrors. Oh, nice shifter right here, shifter boot. There's that. See if we can get this situated just a little bit. It's kind of nice having a little work area. Know what I'm going to do? Just have that kind of sit down in there. I'm going to take this right off. Then we'll get into the looking at the actual body of the car. I don't know if you can see it or not, but that's pretty shiny. We're going to probably be looking to do something to scuff that down. Even if we paint the car red, it's going to have to be scuffed before it gets repainted. Now, I think I felt that one of the wings were broke. One of the, yep, right there. So that's going to be a real easy fix. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is loose. We'll probably do a little bit to this car. I don't think we'll be doing a ton. I think I just want to have some fun with it and build it. All right, so see that? There's a swirly right there, and where the paint was, the plastic was injected. That's going to have to be scuffed because that shows up in paint. Same way on this door. There, that one. That shows good right there. that will show up in the paint. You can't paint over that. It's got to be scuffed. Overall, good looking little car. It's thick plastic. The only flaw that I see is that little spot right there, which is fine. We'll get that fixed and put together. Doesn't look like it has chrome on it, so all of the surrounds will be painted black. Oh, the fins are opened up along the back end here. Look at that. Isn't that nice? All right. So that'll conclude out this video. I want to thank everyone who's followed. If you have a comment, you want to toss me a comment about this car, if you've built it, if you have any suggestions, that would be great. The time of filming this, we're about 411 subscribers. So had to take a brief break. So at the time of filming this, we're about 411 subscribers. We've had a ton of new subscribers, ton of support, and I appreciate that. Without, like I say, but all the time, without you guys supporting the channel, I'm just making videos and putting them out there. Nobody's viewing them, you know. So it's really great having the support. Toss me a thumbs up if you haven't subscribed yet. I would appreciate it if you do. Until we see each other again, everybody out there be safe and everyone be blessed.